Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings quickly, press Win+I and go straight to apps. Once done, choose default apps because that's where file type and protocol mapping lives. Make sure the app you want is installed. If not, install it now from the Microsoft Store or the vendor site. You should also note exact extensions like PDF or HTML and any protocols such as Mailto. This avoids guessing later, and it sets you up for precise, reliable changes without backtracking. Now you change mappings. In default apps, pick either the specific app or use Choose Defaults by file type to act on many extensions. When you click a current default, a dialog appears. Select your preferred program and confirm. If it's missing, choose More Apps, then look for another app on this PC to point to the exe. This tells Windows exactly which program to use. Make sure to repeat for related extensions so similar files open consistently, and proceed methodically to avoid mismatch. Finish by testing. Open a few files of each change type and trigger any protocols like Mailto to verify behavior. If something fails, use Reset under Default Apps to revert to Microsoft's defaults, then reassign your choices deliberately. This often clears corrupted associations. If Windows still rejects your change, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, or check app file association permissions in settings. Sometimes permission restrictions or corrupted system files block updates. Once resolved, your defaults will stick and streamline your workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.